So this is going to be an initial look and unboxing of the Wurkkos HD12. Thank you to Wurkkos for sending this over for review. It's one of their newest lights that they've released. One of the smaller headlamps. Really nice box. Presentation on this is very nice. Nice glossy finish there of the light. It's one of the newer style boxes that I really like. Would make quite a nice gift as well, with a nice presentation. So what have we got? We've got a turbo of 850, high 300, 120 medium, and low of 10, and 2 light, 2 lumens moonlight. We've got some red modes there as well. Let's get this open and see what we've got. Put that there. Okay, so you've got some used manual there. And there we go. It's a nice small size by the looks of things. It's got a lanyard in there and some O-rings by the looks of it. Got a USB-C to USB-C power cord, always nice to see, rather than the USB-A to C. That's quite handy. Got a pocket clip, and we've got the headband. So it seems to be a newer, improved style. Got a reflective material on the branding there, quite stretchy, and it seems to be quite ventilated as well if you're using this for night runs. So this appears to be the style which just goes around the head. I know some of the larger models have a strap that goes around and on top of your head as well. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Okay, and there's a light itself. So it feels quite nice in the hand. It's got a really nice button click at the top. It's kind of hard to explain, but it feels really nice. So HD12 branding there, Wurkkos logo at the top. This has a nice magnetic tail cap. We've got the USB-C charging port there. So it comes with the 14500 Wurkkos battery, 900 mAh. Okay. Yeah, you can see the magnetic there. Okay, so let's bring you in to the LEDs. Quite a nice looking finish. Let's have a look at what we got here then. So single press for on. Double tap for turbo. Once we're on, you can press to cycle through the modes. Triple press from off for the red LED, and you can keep hold of it to press through. Keep hold of the button to cycle through the step mode. Yeah, so it's a really nice size. Just to have a little comparison there. Got the HD16 there just to compare it to for size. As you can see, HD12 is a fair bit shorter, but this feels a lot lighter as well than HD12. Obviously this is a 14 500 battery light compared to the 18650, but if you look, it's just much slimmer as well in profile. Obviously this doesn't have the LED capability that the HD16 has, whereas this has the mix and the flood spotlight and the flood mix. That gives you an idea. Let's bring in the TS10 SG as a comparison. The TS10 is just a bit shorter. Oops. Fairly similar in terms of girth there for the TS10. But yeah, initial looks of it looks really nice. It's a really nice feeling light to hold. The button click, double tap the turbo. It's a really nice, got really nice tint to it as well. Just get to see the tint there. Seems to have quite a warmish tint. It's 5000 K as well. It just seems to have like a really nice usable tint. Okay, so that was an initial look at the HD12, and I'll use this for some time and post my full review once I've used it and let you know what I think.